Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to create a little program that stores passwords and updates passwords as well. So first of all, I'm going to create an array called passwords. And in that array I'm going to store a password. Dave, let's make it more like a password. Admin 123. The world's strongest password there. Okay, now we're going to create a subroutine called update passwords. We're going to tell the user to enter a password. And then we're going to use standard input to take what the user has entered. So this is how we do it: create a scalar variable and stdin standard input. Now we're going to chomp it. Okay, and now we come down onto the logic conditional part. So I'm going to say if, and I'm going to use grep, which is a matcher. I'm going to use an iterating character to iterate to go through this array like that, because we're searching for a password. So we're going to enter a password here, and basically if the password is already in here, we're going to tell the user that it's already in there and to try a new password. So if the iterator is equal to the scalar entry, what we've entered, we're going to do something. Let's make that look a bit better. Just neaten that up a little bit. We're going to print a message to the user saying password already exists in array, and then a new line character. Or else, if it doesn't, we shall print a message updating passwords. Updating passwords, and then what we're going to do, we're going to push the password into the array here using push. We do that. This is the array. And the scalar entry. And then we're going to say, we're going to print out updated, and then we're simply going to print the array of passwords, so you can see the new updated password in the array. Okay, now all we have to do is call the program. It's called update passwords, save it, run it. Okay, so let's enter this password in. So admin123. Password already exists in the array. Okay, so let's update it with another one. Admin1234. Updating password. So now we've got the original password and we've got the new password in the array. So I hope you like that little code example. And remember, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and drop me a comment if you want. And I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.